What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is not great, I'm assuming. It is Wednesday, January 5th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Monir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright. So today, we're doing the show from Ra-Ministan. You know, it wasn't all so bad. It was slightly bearish most of the day, and then, we'll get to this, but the Fed had their minutes meeting, and, apparently they're gonna taper sooner than later. Market really didn't like the news. Everything started selling off, like, a lot, pretty hard in the last few hours here. So, yeah, everything is pretty down today. So, really nasty way to end the day here. Everything down. All major indexes down. Crypto is down. So, yeah. Bloodbath today. Sucks. But hope you guys are holding up well. Anyway. Regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have quite a bit of news today. 4 articles to go over. 1, like I just said, about the Fed minutes meeting. 2 about GM, General Motors. 3rd one is about MoneyGram. And the 4th one is about El Salvador. The first two were regular market news. Last 2 are crypto news. And then today for the analysis, we'll be going over AMC and NAKD. Or it's not NAKD anymore. It's Cenntro Electric or whatever it's called. So yeah, those were trending top 10 on StockTwits with the most price action. So we'll cover that. And then we'll get to our Yolos. And we have a few good Yolos today. A lot of memes, a lot of lost corn. So today should be pretty fun. Shouldn't take too long. Maybe 2 hours today. You know, again, all depending on how many people come in and chat. But yeah, nothing too serious today. Shouldn't take too long. Alright. So let's do it, guys. So it looks like people are a little slow to come in here today, but that's alright. We'll get started anyway. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. And boom. Let's do it. Cool. Yeah, I was looking at Oxygen here. Honorable mention. That was top 10 also, but don't want to talk about Oxygen today. But it was trending top 10. Alright, so let's have a look here. So yeah, like I said, bloodbath today. Not good. Not good at all. So the Dow Jones finishes down 1.07%. The NASDAQ finishes down 3.12%. Yeah, that's really nasty. NASDAQ got wrecked today. Absolutely wrecked. And the S&P 500 finishes down 1.94%. So that was pretty bad too. S&P was pretty bad. But the NASDAQ got absolutely destroyed today. So, yeah, overall stock market today. And crypto. We'll get to crypto. But yeah, overall. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Horrible day in crypto. Not just crypto. Everything. Horrible day everywhere. Everything is down today. So, yeah. That sucks. But, you know, hope you're okay, man. Alright, so let's take a look. Oh, and the VIX is up 3.1 points. Up 18.27% today. VIX is now officially above 20. So, that's not that great. I always tell you guys, anything above 20 VIX is considered pretty volatile. A lot of fear, and anything under 20 VIX is considered pretty stable and good. So again, we're over 20 VIX, so it's becoming pretty volatile and fearful right now. But let's check out the watch list. So starting with the green side, and there's really nothing too green here. What up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. So yeah, it looks like people starting to come in here. Please smash the like button on your way in, guys. Appreciate that. Crash incoming? I certainly hope not. But you know, we knew the tapering was going to happen. The Fed was going to taper, and we'll get to this shortly. But could be, hopefully not. But you know, they had their minutes meeting, said they were going to taper sooner than later. So market not responding well to that. We all knew this was gonna happen, but yeah, they really pulled the rug today. Today was pretty nasty. Like, it wasn't that bad, and then they just rug pulled it towards the end here. Cenntro rally short-lived. Yep, really short-lived. What was it, like a week long? I mean, technically it's past Christmas, so it should have been over already. But yeah, that was pretty short-lived. Anyway, onto the watch list here. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, really nothing in the green here. Very few stocks in the green. Number one gainer on my list here is the VIX, like I just said. That's up 17.5%, which is not a good thing. And then after that, you know, we got IMMX, MX Biopharma, talked about that one past couple of days. Just posted a video about it not too long ago. That's up 4%. And then after that, well, we got CFVI, Rumble, which is the, it's not a Trump stock, but it's a conservative social media stock there. Talked about it a couple months ago. AT&T 2.22%, Pfizer 2%, and then everything under that is like under 2%. Intel, Walmart, Alibaba, T-Mobile, Verizon. So kind of looks like communications are up today. Telecommunications, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, and then some retailers. Walmart, Walgreens, Coke and Pepsi are up. Looks like the vaccine's doing pretty decent too. Pfizer is up. Johnson & Johnson is up. Moderna's not up. But yeah, really nothing in the green today. And the things that are in the green really didn't go up too much. So yeah, it looks like the only things really in the green today are phone companies, communications companies, some retailers, and Coke and Pepsi. So, you know, pretty hard to make money today. Most people got wrecked today. So, let's take a look at the red side now. I think tomorrow we'll sell off again, another sell-off. I mean, it's very possible. I certainly hope not. But yeah, you know, last year was a historic year. Historic bull run. People are getting a little bit too spoiled, a little bit too greedy. That's probably not going to happen again today. This year is probably going to slow down pretty significantly. Hopefully we don't have a red year, but you know, don't expect the same gains that we've been having since the start of the C19. You know, tapering is happening. Economy's going to slow down. So, you know, hopefully this doesn't last for a long time. But yeah, this has been pretty nasty. All right, onto the red side. Let's check it out. So we got Nutraband. Talked about that one like last week. Down 22%. BKKT. Backed holdings down 17.8%. That's nasty. I know one of our community members, Joe, he's not here that much anymore, but yeah, he was in there at like 9, so damn, that's pretty nasty, or 8 or something. And here we go, already with the spammers. So let me get rid of this guy. All right, we got Marathon down 13.21%, crypto stock there. GME, so the memes got wrecked today. I mean, everything got wrecked today, but especially the memes and the growth got wrecked today. So yeah, GME down 13%. GME's down at 130. Holy crap. Microvision, another meme there, down 12.72%, down below 5. Riot, another Bitcoin stock there, another crypto stock down 12%. Roku, that's in the meme index, down 11.72%. Ford got wrecked too. Yeah, pretty funny because I just posted a video about Ford. Well, I did Ford yesterday, and then I posted the video earlier today when it was still green. It was up like 2%, and then by the end of the day, it's like down 2%. So I probably got to change the title and the thumbnail there. So Ford's been pumping, but that got wrecked. Yeah, Novavax down 11.6%. XCLA, oh crap, XCLA is down at 75 cents. That's nasty. Wow, that's down 11%. Bed Bath & Beyond 10.84%. AMC 10.75%. Nasty. Fubo 10.44%. Oh, and we're going to talk about AMC first today. You know, it's usually number one, but it was by far number one today. So we'll talk about AMC. Then NAKD down 9.57%. It's not NAKD anymore. Cenntro Electric. So we'll talk about NAKD / Cenntro second today. So we're only going to do two stocks today. TA shouldn't take too long. It's going to be AMC and NAKD / Cenntro. I'm always going to call it NAKD. It's never going to be Cenntro to me. But yeah. Skills down 9.47%. Biofrontera 9.29%. Yeah, a lot of memes here. Virgin Galactic Workhorse down little below 9%. Wish, damn. Wish down 8.22%. That's at 2.8 now. Holy crap. Square down 8.21%. Robinhood down 8.16%. Clover down 7.73%. Yeah, these memes are getting wrecked. Square is a meme stock. I don't think it is, but apparently it is in the meme index. Moderna. So Moderna is also in the meme index. This is kind of weird because Pfizer and J&J were up today. One of the few stocks that were up. But Moderna got absolutely wrecked. Moderna is down 7.65% today. So I still didn't buy into Moderna. I was going to buy in. I was in at 250. I sold at 350. And it came back down to 250. And I just been lazy. Didn't buy back in. Good thing because now it's down at 215. Crazy stock there. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin stock there, 7.62%. MMAT down 7.58%. Damn, that sucks. CEI down 7.56%. That's at 85 now, 84. DraftKings, what the hell? DraftKings down 7.44%, below 25 now. Wow, DraftKings has been struggling a lot here. DraftKings been getting wrecked. And I really like the stock, but... And I think that's in the meme index as well. But yeah, that's been getting wrecked. That sucks. So, meme index is down 7% today. 7%. That is nasty. Roblox, Tilray, also in the meme index. Those are down 7%. Palantir. So Palantir is an honorable mention. That's also in the meme index. Yeah, Palantir down 6.66% today. Not a great number. The devil's number. That's down to 17 now. Damn. RIP to the Palantir. Palantards. And Ocugen, honorable mention. Not going to talk about it. Yeah, Palantir and Ocugen are honorable mentions. Those made StockTwits top 10. I'm not going to talk about them. But yeah. Ocugen down 6.5% there. Down to 420 now. Lol. That sucks. Coinbase down 6.36%. So, another crypto stock there. SoFi 6.31%. I believe that's a meme stock as well. So, Snapchat. Everything is wrecked. Everything getting wrecked today. Nvidia 5.76%. You know, tech getting really hammered here today. AMD 5.73%. NEO down 5.38%. Tesla down 5.35%. Peloton down 4.7%. Peloton's been getting wrecked. I think I saw a news article that their growth is slowing down. Damn, Google down 4.6%. That is nasty. GM down 4.56%. Got an article about GM very shortly, but that's not good. But I guess it's healthy pullback because the car companies have been running a lot lately. But yeah, that's pretty bad. GM down 4.56%. Got Netflix down 4%. Microsoft down 3.84%. Nasty. Facebook down 3.76%. Yeah, tech is getting wrecked today. Twitter down 3.3%. That's below 40 now. Li Auto, Xpeng are down. Ford's not down that bad, but yeah, Ford's down 2.67%. Apple down 2.66%. Costco 2.54%. Nike 2.5%. Target 2.27%. Yeah, a lot of value stocks going down here. I mean, everything is. Amazon 1.89%. Wow. So yeah, overall, just really, really nasty day all around. Very few stocks in the green. Again, unless you were in communications or vaccines, some retailers, but yeah, for the most part, everything is down today. Growth, I mean, yeah, I was going to say growth is leading the way. No, it's not. Everything is down. Growth got absolutely wrecked. Value got absolutely wrecked. Everything is down a lot, especially tech. I think tech really pulled it down today. But yeah, everything is down a lot. Let's look at SPY, actually. It's nasty stuff. Yeah, look at this big red candle on SPY. That's not good. There's still a gap here to fill, too. There's a gap. That's not good. There's a gap at 439 on SPY. Wow, imagine it comes back down there. That'd be sick. Today, sell-off. I do not buy any stock. I will wait for a tomorrow opening. Yeah, sounds like a plan, dude. Not good today. So, you know, as a wise man once said, and this is not financial advice, buy the effing dip. So everything is dipping right now. So, could be a good time to buy. Your aunt getting wrecked in Tilray. Your aunt should listen to you. Sold Tilray at $60. It's my grandma, not my aunt. But, yep. She complains about it a lot now. Like, what's going on with Tilray? And she's always asking me, I thought they're legalizing federally and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah, they are. Not yet, but they are. And, yep. She's always complaining about Tilray now. It's pretty funny. I mean, it's not funny, but it's funny. Yeah, should have listened. XCLA, do you think price will reverse split and it will go down more? Did they say anything about a reverse split? If it stays down here, they're going to have to eventually. But for the moment, they shouldn't be in any trouble of reverse splitting. So I wouldn't worry about a reverse split anytime soon. They didn't say anything about it. But if this holds up for a couple months, if it stays under $1 for like a couple months, then they'll probably have to reverse split. And if they do reverse split, then yes, it probably will go down more, unfortunately. But I wouldn't worry about a reverse split anytime soon. And this is just way oversold right now. You know, this is like an all-time low. RSI's at 22. So very oversold, very undervalued. And it just keeps on going lower, so. Yeah, sorry about that, Monir. This has been really nasty. It just keeps on going lower. When it really shouldn't. And there's really no point in selling right now, you know. But yeah, to answer your question, I would not be worried about a reverse split just yet. But if it does reverse split, then it probably will go down, yes. But I wouldn't worry about that just yet. Tilray. Yep. Nasty. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Bloodbath. Everything is good today. So, you know, I hope you guys are holding up. Don't really see how you guys could have made money today, but, you know, I hope it wasn't too bad. And let's get on to crypto now. It's not any better, but let's get on to crypto. Oh, wow. I think it'll go down to 50. I certainly hope not. I mean, it's very possible. But, I sure hope not. I sure hope not. It's already ridiculous how low it is already at 75. 50 would be something. Alright, guys, so this is a lot worse than it originally was this morning. When I checked, it wasn't down this much, but yeah, this is pretty bad. So crypto is down 4.52% today. Alright, let's start out with some meme coins here. Meta Doge. Meta Doge. Well, that's up 53%. Meta Doge, really? I've seen that before. That's up 53%. Meta Pets, that's still trending, down 6.4%. Finally pulling back there. Lady Uni. Lady Uni, what the hell is this? Kind of looks like a Jigglypuff from Pokemon. Can't tell me that doesn't look like a Jigglypuff. Or like a Kirby or something. with a unicorn. Alright, well that's up 26%. A Brainiac Farm, I don't know what that is. That's up 1100%. Ninja Floki, that's up like 1000%. Ninja Floki, ridiculous. And then Looney. Looney? It's another dog, so it's meme coin. That's up 846%. So, the memes are mooning today. But enough of that. Let's get on to the actual crypto. This is sick because literally yesterday I bought more Bitcoin for 46K. And I could have got it for 2K less today if I just waited. But yeah, Bitcoin down to 44K. Down 4.53%. Ether down 5.31%, pushing 3,600. Binance down 5%. Solana down 7%. Cardano down 4.3%. That hit a new low again. That's like where it dipped to last time, $1.25. Yeah, everything is getting wrecked here. Terra down 7.25%. Polkadot 7.8%. Avalanche 6.87%. Doge down 4.83%. Damn it, come on, Doge. Sheep down 6.23%. Crypto.com 8.65%. Chainlink is up. That's a bright spot, 3.56%. Litecoin down 4.77%. Bitcoin Cash down 4.75%. Everything down. FTX down 6.82%. Ether Classic down 5%. This is nasty. Leo is actually up a little bit. But yeah, let's sort this out. I barely see any green here. Stinky Linkies. Yeah, I used to have Chainlink. I sold it at like $10. That was pretty bad. I should have held. Oh well. So, alright, so there's literally only 5 coins in the green today. And not much price action. So it's XDC. Marvin's not here, but XDC is up 5%. Chainlink 3.6%. Sushi Swap 2.9%. NEM 1.62%. I had NEM in 2017 at like 25 cents. So it went down 50% since then. That's so nasty. And then Leo. So I really don't see how you guys could have made money on crypto today. 95% of the coins in the red here. Top 100. So let's sort this out. Here are Siren guys. My apologies. Going to talk over it. So yeah. What a bloodbath. Everything in the red here. Although I will say, the price action isn't exactly the worst. We only have a couple coins here in the double digits. Velas, Axie Infinity, Cosmos, Arweave, Loop Ring. Damn, Loop Ring's down to 186 now. That's sick. Hedera, Curve, Gala. Those are all double digits. Everything else after that is 10% and lower, which is still pretty bad, but... So the growth coin is definitely pulling back the hardest here. Worst value coin is Polkadot, 7.85%. And then Luna, 7.5%. Then Solana, 7%. Avalanche, 6 point... Just changed. 7%. So yeah, this isn't any better than the stock market. So crypto getting wrecked today as well. Everything down. Growth coins and value coins. The growth is worse though. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Nasty day all around. Bloodbath all around. Stock market, guh. Crypto market, guh. So, don't really see how you guys could have made money today. But I hope it wasn't too bad. But we're all in it together. I feel your pain, guys. Your pain is my pain. My pain is your pain. So, just hang in there. Diamond hands, right?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
All right, let's get on to some news. I have quite a few articles today. But let's start with low roller stuff here first. CNN article. NASCAR rejects Let's Go Brandon sponsorship. Yeah, I think he posted something about this the other day. So yeah, I remember this. It's not even this guy's fault. Like, he just got thrown in the middle of this. But this guy, Brandon Brown, yeah. So, yeah, NASCAR's going woke. Go woke, go broke, right? That's usually how it goes. So, yeah, he could have got a major payday from Let's Go Brandon sponsorship. What is it, FJB coin? And this is kind of dumb to me. Because, you know, generally speaking, NASCAR fans are more on the conservative side. You know, they're like from down south and stuff. So, you know, this is actually good for NASCAR. I don't see why they're pulling the sponsorship. This is just costing them money. This is pretty stupid. I understand you don't want to get political and stuff, but literally, your fans agree with the message. So this is like pretty dumb to me. But yeah, go woke, go broke. So that sucks for this guy, Brandon Brown. But hey, nowadays politics and, you know, business, corporations are pretty intertwined. So sucks for this guy. And sucks for NASCAR because they're just costing themselves money here. But interesting stuff. The driver doesn't have sponsors. Now Dogecoin can sponsor his car. Dogecoin won't, but you know who will? Floki Inu. Floki Inu will. Alright, next article. So this is about Kazakhstan. Talked about this yesterday. Kazakh government resigns. Shuts down internet amid protests causing Bitcoin network hash rate to tumble 13.4%. I read about this earlier. Yeah, so there's an uprising protesting in Kazakhstan right now. I vote for Borat. Borat for president. That's what they should do. That's what Sacha Baron Cohen, he should do Borat 3. Borat for president. That'd be pretty hilarious. But yeah, so they shut down, I guess it's getting really bad. They shut down the government, and yeah, crypto, especially Bitcoin, getting affected here. It's the second biggest mining country in the world. I did not know that. I think China's the first. Well, they're cracking down on that as well. So that's pretty big. So you can't mine Bitcoin anymore. Second biggest country to do it. That sucks. Interesting. So this probably had something to do with, crypto selling off. Probably a factor. I don't know how much of a factor, but this is pretty big. So thanks for that, low roller. All right, now I got some articles for myself here. I guess we'll stay on the crypto side first, and then we'll get to the general market stuff. All right, so I got 4 articles here today. One about MoneyGram, one about El Salvador. Those are crypto articles. And then one about the Fed minutes, and then one about GM. So those are stock market articles. All right, so first article, MoneyGram acquires stake in Ripple invested cryptocurrency cash exchange. So MoneyGram has bought a 4% stake in CoinMe. So that's pretty much the news. But all right, so MoneyGram announced a partnership with CoinMe back in May in order to allow buying Bitcoin with cash and withdrawing it in $20,000 brick and mortar locations throughout the U.S. So I guess this already happens, but well, the acquisition. What the hell are these spammers? Come on. These spammers are getting crazy. They're like everywhere now, in like every live stream I've seen spammers. Get them out of here. They're like Russian too. They're all Russian for the most part. So yeah, minor news here. So people use MoneyGram a lot. This and Western Union are the biggest like money transfer companies. So now they're getting into crypto. 4% stake in CoinMe. So that's pretty significant. So I thought I should share with you guys. Interesting news there. And next article, El Salvador to legalize Bitcoin bond issuance through 20 legislative bills. So I'm not going to read all this, but yeah, they're going to start selling Bitcoin bonds now. So, El Salvador was the first country, I think still is, to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. And ever since then, the citizens actually haven't been using it much, but the president is a, young super ape guy, really likes Bitcoin. And yeah, now they're going to sell bonds on Bitcoin. So the bills will cover financial markets and investment in securities, creating a framework to regulate and legalize the issuance of securities as crypto assets, according to the country's head of treasury, Alejandra Zelaya. Anyway, so I don't know. El Salvador might get rich because of this. This is pretty smart. And I guess it's a way for like older people, because they like bonds and fixed income. They're not really too big on Bitcoin, but now there's Bitcoin bonds, which are a lot safer. So yeah, they're really pushing crypto forward here. So hopefully other countries will follow soon, because this is a smart idea in my opinion, especially for like the poorer countries that are trying to catch up to the rest of the world. This is how you do it. Raise money through Bitcoin, through crypto. So yeah, El Salvador is really a pioneer in this space. So respect to them. More spammers, huh? What is this? Come on. Did this protest cause stock market crash too? Maybe a little bit. I don't think too much. It was too much of a factor, but it definitely could be a possibility for sure. So maybe a little bit there. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. Glad you could make the show. I mentioned you earlier, dude. And not for a good reason. Yeah, I said I read BKKT was down like a lot today, and I'm like, damn. I remember Joe was selling puts on BKKT. I hope he's all right. But so yeah, I hope that your BKKT play is doing okay. I got wrecked today, but yeah, appreciate you for being here, dude. As always, glad you could make the show. All right, so on to the stock market news for today. Let's read here. This is the big news today. Federal Reserve puts wheels in motion for balance sheet reduction. Key points. Minutes from the Fed December meeting indicated that officials are ready to aggressively dial back policy help. One key aspect, the central bank's balance sheet, was the subject of extended discussion, with policymakers pointing to a reduction in bond holdings in the coming months. Members expressed concern about inflation and said the jobs market is nearing full employment. Stocks slid following the release while government bond yields rose. So yeah, in summary, the Federal Reserve, our man Jay Powell, is starting to taper. They're rebalancing their portfolio. And yeah, back in December, he said they would start to raise interest rates to start to combat inflation in the new year, and they're starting to do that. So this dropped, 2 o'clock? Yeah, this news dropped at 2 o'clock, and that's really when the market started selling off, when everything really started going down. So this is definitely the biggest factor as to why the market got wrecked today. The Fed coming out and, anytime the triple J's, triple threat. Joe Biden, Janet Yellen, Jay Powell. Whenever they say anything, whether it's good or bad, market tends to sell off. So, Jay Powell came out and talked today. Well, he didn't make a speech, but the Fed issued this statement, and, yep, no surprise there. Market sells off. So yeah, once again, biggest reason as to why market went down today. All right, and some other news, minor news here. And this comes after Ford went up yesterday from the F-150 announcement. So GM is competing now as well. GM unveils new electric Chevrolet Silverado priced at $40,000. $39,900 for a work truck to $105,000 for luxury model. That's a big difference. So $40,000 on the lower end, $105,000 on the higher end. That's a very, very big difference. But $40,000 for a pickup truck is pretty good for electric pickup truck, I would say. All right, key points. GM plans to build 2 models of its new Chevrolet Silverado EV. A basic work truck and fully loaded luxury model when it launches the electric pickup next year. The work truck will sell in the spring of 2023, followed by a fully loaded 105,000 RST limited first edition model next fall. GM said the work truck will start at $40,000. The price of the 2024 Silverado EV WT is in line with the upcoming electric work versions of Ford's electric F-150 Lightning pickup, which is expected to arrive this spring starting at $40,000. I didn't know the F-150 was that cheap either. So that's pretty competitive because, hopefully they're good. But the Model 3, the Tesla Model 3 is like $40,000, $50,000. So that is extremely competitive. That's good. That's good. So, like I said, Ford came out with their big news yesterday, and GM comes out with, it is Chevy, but GM comes out with this news that they're also going to release their pickups. Although you know, the F-150, the Ford is way ahead of GM here by about a year. But yeah, you know, every company going full EV now. And, you know, the Tesla is still way ahead, but the gap is closing. So, good news, good news. Although, it didn't really matter. GM got wrecked today. But it has been going up with Ford. Did the protest affect the stock market too? I already read that. Probably a little bit, but not too much. What was the Fed statement? Basically they just said that they're gonna start, you know, they're actually gonna start tapering. Raising interest rates and I think bonds are gonna go down. But they basically, you know, in November they said they would raise interest rates, start to combat inflation, and now they're actually starting to do it. So, market didn't like it, and sells off. Think politics and love. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Bro, is the market crashing? Please do ALLK analysis for me. I trust you. Sure, we can take a look at ALLK. Right now. I'll do a quick. I'm not gonna do a full TA, but I did do a TA on AALK or ALLK, probably a couple of weeks ago. You can probably look it up, but sure, we can look at that very shortly. I'll do that for you, dude. Is the market crashing? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Can't say no, but hopefully not. It just seems like people are pulling their money now after this tapering stuff. Who wants to bet? Who wants to bet these GM electric trucks are gonna be junk? I don't know. GM is pretty bad in general. You know, I've never liked GM. I do like Ford. I have a Mustang, although I don't like what they did with the Mustang, the new one, the Mach-E. Turned it into an SUV. Kind of defeats the purpose, but I definitely think the F-150 will be better than the Silverados. It's always been like that. Tapering, get your loans now. Yep, well, like I said, you know, we all knew this was going to happen. It was just a matter of when. And, yeah, stock market is definitely not going to be as good as it was last year. Last year was historic. And, couldn't last forever. So, yeah, a lot of people pulling their money now after this tapering. All right, guys. So that's all the news I got for today. So let's get on to the analysis now. 1 second here. And please smash the like button for me, guys. I'd appreciate that. Oh, Joe, I closed that position a long time ago. You're good? All right, good to hear, dude. I was like, damn, that kind of sucks. It's a good play, too, but good thing you closed it. All right, so what are we looking at? ALLK. So we'll do this one first for Think Politics and Love. Yeah, so pretty sure I covered this a couple weeks ago. Really not much has changed. So, you know, long term, this definitely is a good play, I would say. It's still undervalued, like really, really undervalued here. RSI is at 17. So this really shouldn't go too much lower, although it has been bleeding. But, you know, this looks like a pretty good buy to me right now, just based on the chart. I don't really know too much about the company itself. I know it's a biotech. But, yeah, just based on the TA, you know, there's a gap down here at 82. So eventually it should come back up to 82. Honestly, that may take a long time. Hopefully not, but that may take, you know, years. Got in at 888, a bit nervous. That's not bad, dude. That's not bad at all. That's a really good price. So it's at 867 right now. So you're really not down that much. And it really shouldn't go too much lower, you know. It's holding pretty strong at 845. If it breaks that, then it may make lower lows, but, you know, just based on the chart here, it does look bullish in the short and long term. Again, gap down, huge gap down at 83, 82. It should come back up to 82. RSI's at 17. That's extremely oversold, extremely undervalued. So, you know, you can't expect this to go up overnight. You know, this may take a while, in all honesty, to come back up, but it will, to fill this gap at 82. So, you know, this is just a hold right now. This is a long-term hold, I would say. And if you're in at 880, that's a really good price, dude. I would not sweat it. This really shouldn't go crashing down. It already did. It really can't go too much lower. So, I understand you're nervous, dude, but it's all right. You're not down much at all here, and like I said, if you're expecting some big move, you know, very quickly, don't count on that. But longer term, this is, you know, bound to go back up. So, hope that answers your question. And thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Buying clothes on eBay and online marketplace will end up being used. It will end up being used closed. People are buying clothes in thrift shop, garage sale, yard sale. They buy clothes $5 and sell it 30, 60 online. Yeah, it's not just clothes. It's everything, you know. Any type of junk, not junk, but you know, it's like storage wars type of thing. Thrifting, finding good deals, and you just resell. That's a whole business on itself. I have a few friends that are actually, you know, they do thrift and resell clothes, and they're gonna start getting into like furniture and stuff. You know, it's a good side hustle for sure. You can make a lot of money doing it. I wouldn't buy clothes on eBay and online marketplace since it is used clothes at thrift shop, yard sale, and garage sale. Well, if you know it's used, then you know, that's not a problem. But if you're advertising it as new and you know it's thrifted, then that's pretty wrong. But there's nothing necessarily wrong with buying used clothes as long as you understand it is used. But yeah, that's a lot of people are doing that now. Whole side hustle. All right, guys. So today we got only two things to analyze. Again, AMC and NAKD, NAKD, or Cenntro Electric. My bad. It's always gonna be naked to me. So this shouldn't take too long. So let's get through this. Not gonna, you know, I'll try to get through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Doing pretty good on time here. 50 minutes in. Cool. And let me just double check. There's no news. There wasn't before. All right, no news. How is your new job updated? I still got to get through. I'm not done studying yet. I'm almost done studying. I'm like 3/4 of the way through. Haven't got a chance to really do that in the past couple of weeks because it was like Christmas and New Year's and stuff. But this weekend, I'm going to sit down and just, you know, that's all I'm doing this weekend. I'm just gonna finish my book. You know, I'm gonna try to get my license hopefully by the end of January, and then right after that, I'm gonna open my business. So it's a little going a little slower than I expected it to, but you know, making progress here. I've just been like pretty irresponsible and, you know, not getting my priorities right. So I got to do that this weekend. I want to make it a priority this weekend to finish that. DLTR. All right, let's do DLTR first. Dollar Tree. No gambling this weekend? No. No gambling this weekend. Got to make good choices. All right, so Dollar Tree. It's not Dollar Tree anymore. It's a $1.25 tree. Not literally, but everything's $1.25 now. So, you know, this one looks pretty scary. There's a double gap up. I don't even know why the stock is up so much, but double gap up. You know, 87 and 115. You know, this is at a relative high right now. RSI is at 62. So, I'd probably wait for a pullback if you want to buy in. At least 115. It may even come back down to 87. you know, to fill these gaps. And, you know, if you're in it, if you're already holding, consider taking profits or setting stop loss. But this looks kind of bearish to me. Not like super bearish, but you know, a lot of bearish indicators here. So just be careful on this one, Dollar Tree. Did you visit Dollar Tree lately? Did you see Dollar Tree price go up in the area? There are no Dollar Trees in my area, not in New York City, unless you go further up in the Bronx and stuff. But no, I read they're all owned by the same company: Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and what's the other one? Family Dollar. They're all owned by the same company, and they're all raising at 125. So I saw the news about that a couple months ago. I started short position on it today. All right, dude. Seems like a pretty good play. Not gonna lie. So you know, I'd probably cover around 115. Not financial advice, but yeah, I think a short position here is a pretty decent play. Pretty good play. And you should be able to make some pretty good money. If you cover at 115. Maybe even 87. While New York doesn't have Dollar Tree. Not really anymore. They used to, but they still do. But it's like further out, you know, in like the poorer areas, I would say. Like in the hood. Like that's where the Dollar Trees are. So yeah, there definitely were a lot more back in the day. Now not so much. And there's no 5 below here. We have 10 below. Pretty hilarious. All right. So let's do it, guys. Again, we're gonna do AMC and NAKD today. All right. You're welcome, Joe. And of course, as soon as we are gonna start, I hear a siren. So I'm gonna mute for a second here, take a drink, and we'll get started. My apologies, guys. All right, I think we're good now. My apologies. So let's do it. Okay. So here is AMC. This finishes at $22.75 today. That is down 10.75%. So this was number 1 on StockTwits today, as it usually is. But this is one of the biggest losers in terms of top 10 on StockTwits. So we'll talk about it. Now, there really wasn't any news to justify this price action today. No specific news. It just seems like an overall market sell-off. And the meme stocks / growth stocks got especially hit hard. So, yeah, I'm just going to assume a lot of apes, a lot of institutions pulling their money out here, and possibly even more shorts coming in. But yeah, no specific news to justify this price action today. So let's go ahead and analyze now. So last time we talked about the stock, I said this looked like an inverse head and shoulders, which was bullish, and actually it did the opposite. It sold off. So that's pretty nasty. We do have a gap up at 1650, so that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock may come back down to 1650 eventually to fill that gap. It looked very unlikely a couple months ago. But this stock keeps making lower lows. And now that is a very real possibility. This coming back down to 1650. I don't really see anything else here. Okay, yeah, that's about it. And, oh, I forgot to add the chart. All right, well, so I'm going to add the charts after the show. But, yeah, I forgot to do that. My apologies, guys, in the description. But, so I'll add these charts at the end of the show. So if you guys want to follow along, the link to the charts, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right. So, right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 24.35 and 22.45. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 24.35, 25.35, 26.75, 28.95, 30.90, 31.95, 33.65, 34.80, 34.80, 36.05, 37.60, 39, 40.20, 41.95, 43.25, 44.60, and then 46.15. And there is resistance above 46.15, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 22.45, 20.35, 17.30, 16.50. How low should we go here? We'll go to 10. 14.10, 12.95, $12, 10.90, and then 9.85. And there is support below 9.85, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And in the aftermarket here, this is going up. It's at $23 right now, so that's a bullish indicator for tomorrow that is suggesting this will continue to run to the upside tomorrow. So right now at this current price, $22.75. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 30.90 to the upside, the channels start to narrow. And if this breaks 14.10 to the downside, the channels start to narrow. So anything above 30.90 and anything below 14.10, expect the price action to slow down significantly. RSI is currently at 32, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity coming up here. Not financial advice. And this did 45 million in volume today, which is below average. So this sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. It's a bit difficult to tell where this is going to go right now in the short term. We are getting some mixed signals here. We have the gap up. We have the gap up at 1650, bearish indicator. we have the low RSI, which is a bullish indicator. So honestly, it's anyone's best guess where this is going to go. Now, I will say, this seems to be holding some pretty strong support here at 22.45. But if it breaks 22.45, which it very well could, then it's probably going to go down to 20.35. That's the next support here. Really no support holding this up after 22.45. And if it breaks that, then it's down to 17.30. So although 22.75 is already a pretty good price, this has the potential to go down a lot further. And it may even come back down to 16.50 to fill the gap, like I said earlier. So if you want to go long, not financial advice. I could not blame you if you want to buy in here at 22.75. That's already a really good entry. But just be aware, there is a pretty good chance this goes down a lot lower. So if it pulls back below 22.75, then I would just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to be really excellent entry, I would set your buy orders to 16.50. That's where the gap is. Good chance that fills, and if you can get this at 16.50, that would be an excellent entry. And if it never goes down to 16.50, then that's okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. This definitely does have a lot of downside potential, like I just said. But this is the meme stock. Very unpredictable. You never know what's going to happen. So I really don't think the risk is worth the reward here. If this does go down to 16.50, that'd be about a 30% downside. Pretty good money to be made there. But this is already so oversold and undervalued. And again, very unpredictable. Apes love this stock. This could go flying at any moment. So personally, I wouldn't do it. I think going short here would be a high risk, a high risk, medium reward play. Somewhat of a gamble. Could pay off pretty big, but I just think it's too risky for my liking. But if you understand that is a gamble and you're okay with losing some money here, then I would say sure, go for it. It's definitely not a bad play, just pretty risky. So if you want to go short at this current price, $22.75, please do that at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But like I said, could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. This is AMC Entertainment. Fanatics buying tops for $500 million yesterday. You heard the news? No, I did not hear that. That's pretty big. Although that's kind of cheap too. $500 million for tops. That I thought that'd be worth more than that, but that's pretty big. Bitcoin 43K. Ouch. Powerball is $630 million. That's pretty good. Someone's gonna hit. Ain't gonna be me though. 35K Bitcoin. I sure hope not. But very real possibility. It's criminal that you don't have more views. You are the most realistic analyst on YouTube. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough because honestly speaking, most analysts just give people what they want to hear. They if the hot when people talk about the hot stock, pretty much everyone just says moon, 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 moon. It's gonna moon, right? And I just refuse to do that. I feel like that's a moral and ethical that's wrong morally and ethically. So I honestly I read the chart objectively, and then people get upset about that. When I say something that they like is going down, and I do get a lot of hate for that. And I've been shadow banned for that too. I've been reported and shadow banned for that. But you know, and personally, the channel could be a lot bigger if I did just say everything is gonna moon. But I'm not gonna do that. I keep it 100 here. So I appreciate that. I'm willing to have slower growth in order to keep my integrity. So yeah, generally what you see on YouTube is just everyone screaming moon, and that really bothers me. Like I just can't do that. So anyway, appreciate that, man. Lower, I think he is already subscribed. So yeah, thank you. Think politics and love. So this is the first time I've seen you here in the live chat. So hope you can come around and more. That'd be nice. And thanks for being here. And welcome to the community. If you want, join the Discord. The link in the description. Then we can chat anytime. All right. Next one. NAKD. So we'll get through this one, and then that's it for the analysis, and then we'll do the Yolos. What up, Machete? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. You just missed the AMC TA, dude. I know you're big into AMC, but you just missed it, man. That sucks, but glad you make the show, dude. And yeah, damn, AMC getting wrecked today, huh? Sorry about that.
Good.
Right. So, of course, again, we have another siren coming here, but I'm going to mute for a second, let this pass, and then we'll finish up with NAKD here, or Cenntro. And then, we'll get to the Yolos. So, 1 second, guys. Everyone is happy, everything is going up. When it is going down, people are not happy. Everyone is smart in stock market when it is going down. No one will find you since you are hiding. I'm not necessarily hiding, but I'm the one being like, I told you. People don't like that. Like even this one right here, NAKD. The other day I was telling you guys, I was arguing with someone in the comments. The guy said, I said it might go down to in the $3, and the guy was like laughing at me. Lol, we'll never see NAKD at $3 to $4 range, and I'm like, what makes you so sure? And then I don't know where he came up with this, but he said it sold the second most cars after Tesla, and I'm like, where are you getting that from? I called it a clothing company, and he didn't like that. And yeah, so I try not to disrespect people. I just try to respectfully debate them, but people aren't happy when you tell them that their stock is going down. But anyway, we're doing NAKD again, so let's do it, guys. It is cheaper to hold long than it is for them to short. I mean, yeah, you could even average down. Not financial advice, but, you know, AMC is pretty damn good price right now, 22 bucks. You are a smarter person if the stock is going up. Yeah, everyone thinks they're a genius when it goes up, right? All right, let's do it, guys. So here is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. First time I'm saying that. This finishes at $4.63 today. That is down 9.57%. So we've been talking about this stock a little bit, quite a bit actually, quite a bit in the past few weeks. This has been a really hot stock ever since they acquired Cenntro and made the transition into selling EVs now. I still don't really understand how you go from selling clothes to selling EVs, but okay. And this was trending top 10 on StockTwits today, so we'll talk about it. And there really wasn't any news to justify this price action either. Just the general market sell-off. So I'm just going to assume that apes, institutions pulling their money here, and shorts coming in. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, there's a gap there's a gap down at 690. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 690 eventually to fill this gap. Should I draw another one here? Yeah, whatever. I was going to say this is a cup and handle, but you know what? It's probably not a cup and handle. So we'll just get right into the TA here. Okay. And I guess we'll stop at 1420. All right, we'll stop at 1420 there. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 510 and 410. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 510, 570, 620, 705, 770, 840, 905, 980, 1040, 1090, 1165, 1265, 1335, and then 1410. And there is resistance above 1410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 410, 320, and then 270. And there is no support after 270 because that is literally the all-time low. Or 3 year, because that is the 3-year low. So right now at this current price, 463, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1845 to the upside, which it'll probably be a while before it gets there, but if this breaks 1845, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1845. RSI is currently at 24, so that is oversold and undervalued, so this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. and this did over 4 million in volume today, which is below average. So the sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Why can't I zoom in here? Whatever. So just my opinion, not financial advice. Personally, I don't really like the stock, so I may be a bit biased here. But this did break the support of 510, and the next support after that is 410. So I do think this will come back down to at least 410 in the relative short term, and possibly even lower. But quite honestly, this current price, 463, is already a pretty good entry. The chart does look bullish at the moment, I have to admit. Again, gap down and low RSI. Those are both bullish indicators. Really no bearish or neutral indicators at the moment. And right now, this is up in the aftermarket up to 475. So that's another bullish indicator that is suggesting that this will continue to run to the upside tomorrow. So I do think this does still have a bit more downside potential to go. But in the short term and the long term, this does appear to be a pretty good buy, I have to admit. So, can't blame you if you want to go long here at 463, the current price. But I do think it's going to go to 410. So personally, I would set the buy orders to 410 and lower. And if it pulls back below 410, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. So yeah, I could support going long at this current price, 463 and lower. Although I would probably go for 410 and lower personally. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, this does have some downside potential. If it does go back down to 410, that should be 10% there. But at this point, there's really no reason to short this. Again, bullish indicators in the gap down, low RSI, aftermarket action. Really no bearish or neutral indicators. This is already such a low price. Really can't go too much lower. So, you already missed your chance to short here. Not too much more downside potential here. And a lot more upside potential. So, going short here would be a high risk, low reward play, I would say. Just doesn't make too much sense to go short right now. So I don't recommend that. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Like I said, could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NAKD, Cenntro Electric Group. All right. People say us AMC bulls are irrational for holding for so long. I can remain irrational for far longer than they can remain solvent. Yeah, dude. Well, I mean, I'm not a super AMC bull, but what I personally would do is start to sell covered calls, you know? So, I mean, I do this with every stock, really. But look at this IV. This is some insane IV on AMC. So you can sell covered calls. You know, you can do like a $30 cover call. Let's just say a month out. Let's just say February 4th, right? So a $30 cover call. and you would get 150 bucks per every 100 shares. So I'm not sure how many shares you own, but you know, you can easily hedge your bet like that. And if you know, it's a win no matter what. I don't know if Joe's still here, but he knows this. Theta gang. So you know, if it doesn't go above 30, you keep your money, and if it does go above 30, you're forced to sell at 30, which is not bad at all. Not sure what your entry is, but you know, can't blame you for holding. You know, power to you. But you know, not financial advice. But if you do want to hedge your bets a little bit, then you know, consider selling covered calls on that. You know, great way to make some residual income, make some money back while you hold. That's what I do with Bitcoin. I got to take advantage of this high IV here. All right, guys. So that's all the analysis I got for today. Pretty straightforward, short and sweet. So let's get to the Yolos now. And we have quite a few today. A lot of memes, a lot of lost corn. So give me a second here. Got a lot to pull up. All right, guys. So we have quite a bit of Yolos today. A lot of lost corn, a lot of New Year lost corn. Not too many actual FDs. Wall Street Bets has been slacking on those, but we have some good lost corn with shares and a few FDs. So this should be fun, guys. Let's do it. First one is by Dry Comfortable 5064. Bright side, I own a lot of Tesla. Downside, I owe a lot of money. I'm a perma Tesla bull who gambled by selling in the money puts. I'd like to know who exercised with more than a month to expiration. Okay, so we see here you have an account deficit. You owe $675,000 and can't open new positions until the deficit is resolved. So this is unique. I don't think he actually owes. Well, he does owe $675,000, but what happened was he sold in the money puts, so he was forced to buy a lot of Tesla shares here because whoever he sold them to exercised early, which is not really a smart idea. I guess it actually is because it went down. I don't know. He probably just should have sold the puts, or bought the puts back, not exercised. But yeah, so he definitely has this money in shares, and yeah. Problem is he did it on a margin, so Super 8 play here. Borrowing on margin, selling puts, which I don't really recommend you guys do. I have done that before. It works when it works. You make a lot of money, but you can get pretty screwed if it goes bad. Learn that one the hard way. So he does have the money to cover this, I'm sure, although it may still be a loss. So fake lost corn here. Owes a lot of money, but he has it. Still should be down though. So I guess what can we learn from this? I do like selling in the money puts, Theta gang all the way, but probably don't borrow on margin because if it goes bad, things like this can happen and you can get margin called and be forced to liquidate. So a bit deceiving here, but you know, great post nonetheless. So Dry Comfortable 5064. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, although it's not that big of a loss, I don't think. But yeah, you know, in the future, maybe not be that much of a Tesla ape. I see the logic, but it's not really smart to borrow on margin. So, but hey, all the power to you. So, yeah, sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting, and please post updates. I want to see how you handle this one. Alright, this one is by Dull Consideration 462. I am neither bull nor bear. I am ape. And this is a loss. So this is straightforward here. All time down 96%, down $96,000. So I guess it was worth 100K. Now it's worth a little over 4K. So there's only really one way you can do this. Probably FD YOLO options. Or just a lot of margin borrowing, but probably FD YOLO options. So, yes, I agree. You are neither bull or bear. You are ape. You are art hard. So, yeah. This is typically what happens when you're on this forum too much. You get some crazy ideas and you lose all your money. So, nothing much else to say here. Maybe chill on the FD YOLOs in the future. So, Dull Consideration 462. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but can't feel too bad. This is totally your fault. And, yeah, good luck to you, dude. Hope you make your money back. And I hope it didn't hurt you too bad, your pocket. But yeah, thanks for posting. And good luck, man. 69 comments, lol. How do you lose 69%? Buy high, sell low, have options expire worthless. The possibilities are endless. Yep. Just do everything wrong. Time to load more ammo. I'm out of ammo. Alright, so there goes his life savings. I'm not holding any longs. This is from March 2020. Now keep losing it all, then loading up more. My last $4,000 is now in snow calls. And currently getting my butthole ripped open more. Oh, his last 4K. Oh, RIP to that guy. Oh, what happened here? Oh, this one got taken down. Okay. Can't do this one. This one is by Try Me Sucka. 90K loss this month. I drive a Honda. Haha, GG. Wow. So, yeah, we see here 94K loss in 1 month. And it's gone. So, let's actually see what he lost it in. This isn't even that apish. Because it's just a lot of, loss in stock. Let's see, Merck, BlackBerry, Rivian, GitLab, Salesforce, MongoDB, Applied, Amazon, SPY, and Tesla. How'd you lose on Amazon, Tesla, and... Alright, whatever. So, this is pretty bad, but you know what? Not too bad. Because at least it's in shares, not FD YOLO, so he can make his money back. So this isn't as bad as it seems. I drive a Honda too, as my daily driver. So I think this guy can afford to lose it. This isn't as bad as it seems. It's shares. He definitely has a lot more money than this. So, still sucks. Still sucks, but this isn't a total crayon eating retard ape. Still good stuff though. How you lose 90K in a month on shares? That's a bit ridiculous. He must be stacked. I don't know. But yeah, great loss coin here. So try me, sucker. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, but in all honesty, this isn't that bad at all. You'll be right, dude. As long as you hold, you should make your money back. And I'm assuming this really isn't that hard of a hit for you. But yeah, great post either way. Appreciate it. So sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. And please post updates. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Almost done with the show towards the end here. But glad you could stop by, dude. And I hope you did okay in crypto today. Everyone got their buttholes ripped. But XDC did go up. One of the few cryptos that did. So I hope you didn't get hit that hard today. This whole week's been a trick. Roth account got wrecked today. Yeah, you gotta blame Jay Powell. The guy talked today. I was about to hit the money button. No, it's this button. All right. This is by Silence Pain 85. From 200K gain to 100K to negative 100K. Number one investor of the 2022. All right. So, I don't know how he made his 200K. But here, yeah, we see Ava Technologies. Total loss of 52K there. And then we have Inovio Pharmaceuticals. 44K loss there. So yeah, it's this biotech, small cap. Not Yolos, but, you know, very risky stuff here. So, yeah, you know, this is pretty impressive. Because he lost it on stock, not even FD Yolos. And that definitely takes some effort to do. So you know what? This isn't as bad as some of the other Yolos because at least it's stock and you can hold. Although it probably will take a while before it goes back up. But yeah, he lost, I don't know how he made 200K, but he lost 100K on stocks, on these pump and dump stocks here. So, yeah, this really sucks, but what can we learn from this? You know, probably don't put that much money in these small cap pump and dump stocks here. And I know Inovio, that was pretty popular on Wall Street Bets a couple months ago. So maybe don't listen to the DD you find here on Wall Street Bets. That's not exactly the best idea, to be completely honest. But yeah, down 105K in stock here. Not the worst thing in the world, but pretty nasty. So I guess at this point, what can you do? Just hold, I guess. So Silence Pain 85, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Really sucks, but not the worst thing in the world. At least it's stock, not FD options. And yeah, dude, I guess just hold at this point. That's all you can do. But thanks for posting. Great content. And good luck to you, dude. Please post updates. That's rookie numbers. I deleted 300K of my monies on Wish earnings 3 quarters ago. Lol. Serious question, bro. How do you cope? I have losses as well. I don't know, bro. My feeling is empty. Yeah, sounds like this one hurt. Welcome to the casino. You need to reverse that J-Pow animation. That would be more accurate, lol. With the money coming back in the printer. That'd be pretty funny. Alright, guys, give me 1 second. I'm pretty... My nose is runny here. Let me go blow my nose. Go get a tissue. My apologies. Give me like 10 seconds. Alright, my bad, guys. I hope I don't have the C19. I don't think I do, but everyone in New York has it now. Alright, on with the show. So this one is by Open the Closet. I have less than 3 weeks, otherwise I'll lose it all. I can't average down anymore, but I'm a B believer for life. BlackBerry. CES might be what we need. BlackBerry is onto something, and although I may have gotten the timing wrong, just watch. Please save me. Alright, so we got a lot of BlackBerry FDs here, / leaps. So he has 7,500 shares, first of all, and he's down 11K on that. And then we have 80 calls for January. So for January 21st, 2022, 80 calls for the 12.5 strike, and 450 calls for the $20 strike. So he's down 33K on the 12.5 strikes and 48K on the $20 strikes. Nasty. So down over 80K there. 81K. Those are probably going to expire worthless. And then he has January 20th, 2023 calls, $15 strike. So still a chance on that, although pretty far out there. But he's down 6,500 on those. So all in all here, he's down like almost $100,000, and 80,000 of that he's not going to get back. So yeah, great loss corn here. The plays themselves, bad strikes, bad expirations, bad timing, all around pretty bad. The leaps, I guess that has a chance, but I don't expect that to work either. So this is what happens when you throw all this money at meme stocks. Can't feel too bad. It really sucks, but can't feel too bad. You know, this is not good diversification, and just not good plays in general. But great loss corn. So, you know, honestly, at this point, consider cutting the January 23rd. Consider cutting everything, actually. But especially the January 23rd, 2023 calls, because that still has a good amount of value. And if you don't, it's probably going to go to zero as well. So, Open the Closet. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. This really, really sucks. But yeah, not really surprised. These are not the greatest plays. And it doesn't seem like you diversified that much. So at this point, I think you just got to cut everything. Because if you don't, you're going to lose more money. Sucks, but here we are. Got to do what you got to do. So, yeah, sorry for your loss, but thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. And good luck to you, dude. Please post updates. Want to see how this goes. He says he should have invested in Tesla and Apple instead. Don't forget there's always the back of Wendy's. And here I was thinking I would have a deep effing value moment, and I lost it all. The legend, deep effing value. Yeah, we all wish we did, but very few of us do. Alright, thanks for that, low roller, for getting rid of this guy here. Look at Bitcoin price end of the show. Sure. That's kind of scary. Oh, God. And, yeah, alright. Got your YOLO as well. Alright, got a few more here. By Illusionist IV. And for my next trick, 180k into AMC. We'll add more if it falls below 25. So this was yesterday. 7,100 shares into AMC. Average cost 25.21. And, yeah, today it went down 11%. So it definitely is below 25 now. It's at like, what, 22? So he's already down like 20k here. And like an ape, he's going to average down. So at least their shares. At least their shares. And honestly, 25 is not such a bad price. But this is pretty ridiculous still. This much money into a meme stock like that. And yeah, he got wrecked in one day here. So at least it's shares, not FD YOLO options. Give him that. So he should be okay no matter what. But this is still pretty ridiculous to me. Great content, though. So we'll have to see how this goes. So Illusionist IV, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. You got wrecked today. And I hope you stick to your word. And you average down like you said. And yeah, dude, I'm rooting for you. You should be alright. You know, as long as you hold, you'll be alright. But it really sucks what happened today. And hope you make your money back. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Coming back here to award you in the next 24 hours. He'll give an update on Friday. You're a effing hero. Remember that even when homeless, sucking D for a cheeseburger. I salute you. Alright. This one is by Big Stonk Guy. GME and AMC short update. I doubled down on GME. Let's rock and roll. So, yeah, you know, if you inverse Wall Street bets, you're probably going to win. So this guy had the balls to do it. I think we reviewed this guy before. But yeah, he shorted 10,000 shares short AMC, 4,000 shares short GME. And he's up $360,000. Very impressive, very impressive. So, yeah, this is pretty risky, but he bet against the apes and he's winning pretty big here. I'd probably cover soon though. You know, made some fat tendies already. Don't really know what more he wants. These are pretty low. But yeah, you know, pretty hilarious because if it's a joke, you inverse Wall Street bets, you win. And paid off real big right here. So only thing I would say at this point is consider taking profits, because it really can't ask for more, and it really shouldn't go too much lower. So big stonk guy, thanks for posting. Thanks for the update, fat tendies. And yeah, dude, consider cutting. And good luck to you. Please post updates. Alright, more spammers. We got so many damn spammers. These guys, I don't know what's been going on with the spammers. It's like not even just me. Like every single live stream, just spammers everywhere now. YouTube got to get that under control. Alright, two more. Well, two more from me, and then we got 3 by low roller. Here are sirens, so I'm going to talk over it. My apologies, guys. By 6 digits, all zeros. 6 digits, all zeros. Nice. 50K SPY puts update. Got out at $115,000 profit. Not bad for one day of work. Mod me, I'll ban them for you. Sure. Alright, Machete, just made you mod. Bitcoin heading under 40K. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know what it is now. We're going to check at the end of the show, but you guys are really scaring me. My God. So appreciate you, Machete. Just give you mod. You need to add subscribe chat mode, but the new legit people can't comment since they have to subscribe to your channel. That's all right, you know. We'll just keep kicking the spammers out. It's not just, you know, it's not just my problem. It's everyone's dealing with this. YouTube got to figure that out. Yep, Machete got the wrench now. I give Busy mod too, because you know, all the regulars I give you guys mod. So I just made Busy a mod too. All right. So what do we have here? And there's still quite a bit of people in here, so appreciate you guys. I didn't think there was this many people still here, so thank you guys for sticking around. All right, so yeah, what a play, what a play. So we got SPY FDs here. Not sure how many, but bunch of SPY $475 puts expiring on Friday. And yep, he's already out. So these were made yesterday. I saw the YOLO yesterday. He made these yesterday, and SPY just went absolutely BitConnect today. So yeah, he got out 115K already in one day. Very impressive, very impressive. So I don't really recommend you guys do this. Very risky. Not sure what the cost basis was either. But this paid off pretty big here. And he already hit the sell button. You know, didn't hold. Although if you do hold, it might actually work. But didn't hold, cashed out. It's already done. So very impressive all around. Good strike, not the best expiration, but well timed. So overall, good play and well deserved. Seems like he knows what he's doing. Maybe not. Maybe he just got lucky, but it does seem like he knows what he's doing. So yeah, not much else to say here. Very well done, well deserved. Super Chad mode. Super Chad mode. So 6 digits, all zeros. More like 6 digits. They're not all zeros. 6 digits, legit numbers there. congrats to you. Thanks for posting. Thanks for the update as well. Thanks for posting. And congrats, man. Really well done. Well deserved. And enjoy the tendies. All right, last one. Well, last one from me. Then we got 3 from Low Roller. By OK Cardiologist 4296. My last YOLO, pray for me. I will get married if this turns out right. So what happens if it turns out wrong? If it turns out right, actually you shouldn't get married, because then, then your wife is going to know you made all this money and probably leave you. But she's going to leave you anyway. That your girlfriend's going to leave you for a boyfriend. If it goes wrong. So lose-lose. But, alright, so what do we have here? 372 calls for Robinhood. Of all things, Robinhood. $18 strike. Well, there's only 200 here. I'm not sure what the other 172 are for. But yeah, $18 strike, 200 calls. February 18th expiration. So yeah, this was a 50K YOLO. And down 3%. Down 1.5K right now. So let's check out Robinhood. I don't think this is a great idea. So it's at 16. Alright, so it's not terrible. 16 needs a little over 10% for this to work out in a month. Month and a half. Definitely possible. And it is undervalued right now. It is oversold. 29 RSI and, lower lows. So actually, it's not such a terrible play. It's not as bad as I thought. Sorry about the sirens, guys. I'm going to talk over it. So, I'm not sure what the other 172 contracts are for. This is still pretty risky. Decent strike, bad expiration. We'll have to see with the timing, but it looks like a decent timing. So this isn't so terrible. This is actually an okay play. I guess I could see the logic in this. Don't like Robinhood. Don't think this is really going to work, but it's actually not as terrible as I thought. So, yeah, we'll have to see how this goes. Can't even hear the sirens. That was pretty loud. Well, that's a good thing. Really bothers me, though. I'm just kind of OCD, and, I want the show to be good. I'm kind of a perfectionist, but, glad you guys couldn't hear that. It's already over. So, yeah, okay, Cardiologist 4296. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. Pretty FD play here, but it's not terrible. It's okay. Not the best, but not the worst. And, yeah, hope it works out for you. Good luck, man. I hope your wife doesn't leave you, or your girlfriend doesn't leave you for her boyfriend. So I'll have to see how this goes. So good luck to you, man, and please post updates. Don't forget Robinhood Wallet in 2 weeks. It could boost Robinhood stock. That's true. I don't believe, though. It's a meme stock. Even the apes don't like Robinhood, and they use it. Isn't that saying something? No comments? Biddy looks bad, but it's not that bad yet. It looks like it is bouncing, hopefully. I have no idea what it's at, and I don't want to know. So we'll look at 3 more from Low Roller, and then we'll look at crypto again. I have a really bad feeling about this. All right. So this one's by Meegs. Wish 300k YOLO, I never learn. Oh my god. You know what? This isn't so bad, actually. So we have 98,000 shares. Yeah, 280K YOLO, almost 300K YOLO. And he's already down, 4,000 bucks here. But quite honestly, this isn't that bad. It's a pretty decent play, actually. I kind of like it. I mean, I hate to say that because I hate Wish. It's a stupid meme stock. But very low average. 286 average. That's a lot better than 10 when it first got popular. And they're shares, they're not FD YOLOs. So, as long as he holds, this really shouldn't go too bad. Wish really shouldn't even go that much lower. But we've been saying that for a long time, and it just keeps making lower lows. So, this is actually acceptable. This is not a bad play. Not a great play, I would say, but I don't know. If we get Meme Mania round 3, this could go to the moon. So, yeah, this is actually not so bad. I can see the logic in this. So, Meegs, thanks for posting. Bit of an ape move here, but not totally an ape move. At least they're shares. And, yeah, it's a pretty good price. So, as long as you hold, you should be alright. So, good luck to you, dude. Thanks for posting. And please post updates. Alright, this one by Out of This World, 385. Sold for about 15K today. So, what do we have? Google puts. Pretty ballsy there. Betting against Google. But yeah, pretty straightforward. So, January 21st, 2022 puts. So, FD's here. Had him for the 855, 850, and 845 strikes. Made, 15K and dumped it. What's Google at? Goog. Oh, 2,855. All right. Got it. So yeah, these are all in the money. And he hit the sell button. Very nice, very nice. So FD plays here against a really good company. Pretty risky, but, hit a big one and hit the sell button. So it's already over. Well done, well done. Too risky for my liking, but well done. So, yeah, Out of This World. 385, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Already over. And enjoy the Cindies. Last one. All right. I got a feeling they're just going to use the wallet functionality, just ship their crypto the F out of Robinhood and close their accounts. You mean Robinhood's going to scam people? they're gonna steal your crypto? That'd be something. That'd be a huge scandal. I don't think they're going to go that low. But what I can see happening is they're going to get hacked and then people are going to clean the wallets. That's what I could see happening. But I don't think Robinhood themselves would just scam their customers like that. All right, buy Dependent, Dangerous, 80. Lost 44K today. F the Fed. All right, so this ain't so bad. It's, it's stock. It's stock. It's not FD YOLOs. Oh, there are some FD YOLOs here. Disney, Peloton, Roblox, GE, DraftKings, Discovery, and Amazon. But yeah, this ain't the worst thing in the world. It's mostly stock. So that's unfortunate. A lot of these were puts too. Or did he sell the puts? I actually think he bought these puts. So I think he made a lot on puts and lost a bunch on stock. So a lot of hedging here. So this ain't that bad. Still lost 44K. That sucks, but not the worst thing in the world. He hedged his bets. He's going to make his money back. Got a lot going on here. But yeah, that sucks. Still a loss. So sorry about that, man. How much did you make because of the Fed? Lol. So he made a bunch, then he gets mad. This one day. Alright, last one. By Irish Dud 1. Oh, I love this guy. Already a legend. What's an exit strategy 583K loss in my favorite stock. Wife's account, so it's okay. Yeah, wife's account, so it's okay. I hope that's a joke. But yeah, I reviewed this one like last week. Can't remember, but yeah, I remember looking at this exact play here. So yeah, we got leaps. Well, one FD, one leaps. January 21st, 2022, $100 call. Cost base, so yeah, he's down on that. That was way in the money. That was a $388,000 YOLO, and he's down 100K on that. And then we got leaps, January 20th, 2023, 950 strike. That's pretty stupid to me. I don't know. I don't think GME's going to 950. But that was a 517K YOLO. And he's down a lot of money there. Down almost 400K on that one. So yeah. All in all, 583K loss. I'm sure the wife would disagree with that statement. Yeah, she probably doesn't know. She's going to leave him for a boyfriend. So, on the bright side, this is what? A 200-year tax write-off? Holy crap. So, what's an exit strategy? How about just sell him? Sell him right now before you lose another. How much does he have left? He has still has 325K here. So how about you save yourself another 325K before you lose it? Cut it, save yourself 325K before you lose that too. And then you're gonna have a total of like 900K losses if you don't cut here. This is disgusting. So exit strategy. Hit the sell button. How about that? How about you don't hold till expiration? This is ridiculous. Great loss corn here, but I hope this guy is rich. This is crazy. So, Irish Dud 1, thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. You are a madman. You are insane. And please hit the sell button before you lose more money. So good luck to you, dude, and please post updates. A depreciating asset? How do you know she calls me that? Lol. Alright. No, people holding crypto on Robinhood will ship it out themselves. That's true, that's true. I don't know why you would hold it on Robinhood. But, you know, honestly, people don't even... The majority of new crypto users don't even know how to transfer crypto. They just, like, trade it. They buy it and sell it. They don't know what wallets are and all this good stuff, so... Some people definitely will, but I would say most people getting into crypto now don't even know how to trade, how to send crypto. I can see a lot of Coinbase users will go to Robinhood. I can see that happen when Robinhood wallet happens. I mean, I probably would if I can get into my account, because the Coinbase fees are ridiculous, but I just can't even get into my Robinhood account, so I'm scared of getting locked out if I have crypto in there. So, the lesser of two evils, which one? Coinbase or Robinhood? You choose. He's probably rich, poor. He's probably rich, poor, but the wife is rich. He's probably poor, but the wife is rich. Alright. That'd be something. Gold digging your wife. But I don't know if he's serious or not. I certainly hope he's not. I don't care if you are rich. If you lost, you know, $1 million, that hurts no matter what. So, anyway, great post here. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Let's look at crypto. Oh my god. Yeah, down 6.41%. Yeah, I literally bought Bitcoin. I bought more Bitcoin yesterday at 46K. So, clown on me. Give myself the clown. What the actual hell? Yep, this is rough. This is rough. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This sucks. Dogecoin down to 16. Alright. Yep, that sucks. That sucks. Well, today sucked, huh? But, you know, we're all in it together. I feel your pain, guys. You feel my pain. Robinhood is better since Coinbase users getting hacked. I mean, but Robinhood probably get hacked eventually, too. I saw Bitcoin tank 42K. That's it. It's over 43 right now, but... So there is buying going on. This is pretty nasty. Yeah. Oh, well. That's how it goes. Because if we look at the chart, you know, what, 3 months ago? So we were here in September. So September, yeah, Bitcoin was around this price. So we pulled back 3 months here. So honestly, that's not, if you think of it that way, you know, it just, in September, we were just here. Really not too bad. So, you know, not the worst thing in the world, but it just keeps on bleeding. It's pretty disgusting. Don't buy high, sell low, guys. Buy low, sell high. So yeah, clown on me. I bought at 46K, down to 43K now. I'm going to get me a little bit more Bitcoin also, but I'm waiting. Probably a good idea. Probably a good idea. Or you can sell puts on it. Oh, that sucks. Anyway, guys, yep, that's the show for today. So what, we went 2 hours, 10 minutes here today. Longer than expected, but, you know, that was a really good show. Really good show. So a lot of people came in here today. Thank you, guys. And thank you guys who came in at the end here and stayed till the end. Appreciate everyone. So, yeah, you know, we've been having some pretty good shows here. Oh, and I got the videos up. I caught up on the work. Got Monday and Tuesday's videos up. Although I probably got to change the thumbnail on the Ford one that I put out, because that got wrecked today. But, yeah, I caught up on work, and going to pump this one out here tonight, hopefully. But that is the show for today, guys. So anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything. Life? Put them in the chat right now. 1 year from now, people wish I should buy Bitcoin 42K when Bitcoin is 200K next year. Yeah, one can hope. You know, I certainly hope it goes to 200K. But, you know, nothing's for granted. But yeah, as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Buy the effing dip, guys. Not financial advice. And pretty ironic, because Warren Buffett's the last guy who would buy the dip on crypto. But, yeah, buy the dip, guys. Not financial advice. I'm more focused on stacking XDC, XLM, XLML. That's Stellar, right? Legacy Network and Ecomi. Yeah, man. The altcoins are definitely getting more popular of late. Bitcoin is losing its dominance slowly. And altcoins are pretty hot right now. But yeah, you know, all crypto is down right now. Now's the chance to buy the dip, guys. Not financial advice. Just buy Bitcoin every day. You can slowly average down, or you can wait for a huge dip. I thought 46K was a pretty good dip. Apparently, I was wrong. Check beat and 10x if you got a minute. Plox. Sure, dude. Good stuff. I said give yourself a raise. Can you look at GGPI? All right, so we'll look at these. Oops. All right, beat. So this looks relatively new, just IPO'd. When did this come out? November. All right, so this one looks, this one looks okay. There's a cup and handle here. Here's the cup, and it just handled. So this should break out pretty soon if this is a cup and handle. But I'm a little concerned because this is a brand new IPO, and you guys know how I feel about IPOs. I usually just stay away from these for a while, like a couple months. So this came out in November, so it's like 2 months old now. So we do have a cup and handle here, so that's bullish. And RSI's at 44, so pretty neutral. I guess this price, 335, is pretty decent. I'm just kind of it does look like it, if this is a cup and handle, it should break out, but just a little concerned because and I may be a bit biased, but I really don't like buying into IPOs. Personally, I'd just give this a little more time. Maybe a couple more months, maybe like 3 more months or something, 2 or 3 months, and see where the price goes. Because generally speaking, when anything IPOs, it sells off for a couple of months before it starts to recover. So I can't blame you if you want to buy in here. It's a pretty decent price, $335, but personally, I'd probably just hold off and wait to see what happens, because there's a good chance it keeps pulling back. So based on the TA here, it looks like a pretty decent buy, but because it's an IPO, I would personally wait this one out for a little bit. Then 10X. Tenax Therapeutics, all right. So this one, this is a penny stock. This looks like it's catching some pretty strong support here at 1. And this looks like a big cup here waiting to happen at like 2. RSI is at 37, so on the lower side. So, $1 is a pretty decent entry, I don't think you can go too wrong here. Holding really strong at $1, very strong support. And it's cup and handling here. Why is it selling off in the aftermarket? Just low float, I guess, but yeah, this is selling off in the aftermarket for some reason. But honestly speaking, $1 seems to be a pretty good entry here. Not the greatest, not an obvious buy, but $1 seems to be pretty decent. And if it pulls back, then I guess you can average down. But yeah, I would support going long at $1. Pretty good buy here. So I hope that answers your question, Machete. Let's look at GGPI now. So this is Polestar. All right. So this does look like it bottomed out here at 11-ish. And it... maybe not, because it came back down. But this looks like it wants the cup here. Cup and handle. So it should come back up to 14 eventually. But yeah, it looks like it did bottom at 11. And it does look like it's consolidating. I can draw a trend line here, like this. So it's consolidating around like 12.40 and $11 right now. So it'll probably consolidate for a little longer, maybe a couple weeks. But eventually this does look like it wants to break out. We've got the cup and handle here and consolidation. So, yeah, bottom is around 11, 1090-ish. So really can't go too much lower. Or it shouldn't, at least. RSI's at 44, so yeah, this appears to be a pretty decent buy as well. Pretty good buy, I would say. And I know you're in it right now, so I would say just hold. Really shouldn't go too much lower here. So just hold for the moon. Looking to add? Yeah, dude. 11 appears to be a pretty good entry. Like I said, bottom is like 1090, so, yeah. Load up at 11, I would say. Pretty good buy. So good luck to you, Marvin. Buy Bitcoin $5 a day. Yeah, you can do that. Buy a little bit a day, or just like buy in heavy when it really dips. Alright, guys. So that's it for today. Unless you guys have anything else, but I think that's it. So yeah, once again, guys, thank you for a great show. Shows have been great. Past couple of weeks, community is slowly growing. Content has been good. Not really the Yolos, but content's been good. And every day the show is getting better. Thanks to you guys. So appreciate everyone. Thank you guys a lot. And I think that's it. So unless you guys have anything else, we'll sign out right now. After the siren, of course, never fails. I'm hungry. Gotta go get me some food. I'm starving here. Alright, I think that's it. So let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.